Hi everybody, today is another video. I'm sorry it's taken me so long, but we have a Kiddie smoke alarm. It's AC, smoke, and carbon dioxide alarm. So, I have ring pop. Twist this way or that, but it's not working. Oh, I honestly don't know how to do this stuff, guys. I'm really sorry. But anyway, this is a Kiddie smoke alarm AC. Kiddie. Guys, I am so sorry I'm pronouncing this logo wrong, but I'm too addicted to saying it that way. So, anyway, so let's open this thing up. This has no batteries in it, and I'm not very excited to close it back up again. This is going to be fun. So here it is with it open. I can't close it because of the god dang things in there. There we go. Here, do not paint. We're not going to be painting it in this episode. Not going to be painting it at all, unfortunately. For you who wants to, for any of you who wants to watch me paint this thing, I am not painting it. I'm just going to add this to my fire alarm collection. I have another fire alarm review that I'm going to do today, so stay tuned to that. And there you go. It has no battery in it. It's unhooked from the wall. You can see right here. I mean, if it's hooked up to the wall, how am I going to show it to you? Unless I'm just testing it. I have a video of me testing my smoke alarm that I'm gonna put on YouTube. Going to. So, this is really good. I encourage you to buy this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.